In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead means staying connected. As preferences shift towards hybrid work, gaming, streaming, and beyond, the demand for high-speed, reliable connections intensifies. Oldcastle infrastructure anticipates these needs to empower service providers, enterprises, and contractors with solutions for our connected future. From expansive data center campuses to fiber-to-the-home deployments in your neighborhood, and from new commercial connectivity to retrofitting spaces for tech upgrades, Oldcastle infrastructure is the cornerstone of modern infrastructure deployment, ready with a range of products tailored for tomorrow's technological landscape. With Oldcastle infrastructure, service providers, installers, and contractors cover the requirements of communications networks easily, safely, and more cost-effectively. Our portfolio of underground enclosures and vaults offer the highest performance standards in a variety of materials, tier ratings, weights, and sizes to secure and protect communication infrastructure. Our fiber enclosures and premise distribution products, such as media panels, category jacks, and fiber wall plates, complete the network for broadband deployments. Today, AI is revolutionizing our lives, creating immersive experiences and enhancing connectivity quality. Federally funded programs like BEAD are helping to bring internet to unserved and underserved communities. Oldcastle infrastructure embraces these developments and provides comprehensive support to enable seamless connections. With more than 80 locations nationwide, Oldcastle infrastructure overcomes complex supply chain challenges, crafting solutions that are driven by customer-centric principles. Together, let's build a connected world.